Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how to log in and create an account on bhg.mycardplace.com. Yes, I'm on the website of BHG Money Credit Card website now, and as you see, there is a sign in section here. But if you don't have an account or you don't have an BHG Money credit card, you need to create or apply for this card. And firstly, you need to click activate or register card button here. And after this, if you want to activate your if you want to activate your credit card, you need to type your credit card numbers here, and then you need to click next button, and then you can register or activate your credit card, and then you can sign in your account. For this, you need to click the sign in button on the right type of the website here, and as you see, I came back again here, and there is a easy sign in section here. You need to type your user ID, I mean your username, and you need to type your password here, and then you need to click I am not a robot to verify you are a real human. And also you can click remember me button here for easy login after this step. Yes, you can access the application from anywhere easily, and you can download the application uh, of this website on Google Play or App Store here. And I think it's enough for this video about BHG Money Credit Cards. Yes, thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. See you, bye.